Assalamualaikum. Today we'll learn about glitch photo effect. Welcome to Photoshop CC with Bronze Graphics. This is our stock image. Double click to unlock this layer. Add a solid color. I choose white for my background. Go to rectangular marquee tool. Select and click on backspace. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Move it to center. To duplicate this layer, press Ctrl plus J. Select by holding Shift and press Ctrl plus G to make a group. Polygon lasso tool. Select and go to Hue and Saturation. Decrease saturation level to -54. Control and one single click on black area. We see the selection, and to invert this selection, Control plus Shift plus I. Now increase the saturation. We watch the differences. Okay. Select this layer by holding Shift. Right click, merge layer. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate this layer. Again go to rectangular marquee tool. Shortcut is M. Hold Shift button. Left arrow key. To deselect, press Ctrl plus D. Again holding Shift. Right arrow key. To deselect, press Ctrl plus D. Select by holding Shift, merge layer. Select the bottom area. Filter, distort to wave. Press Ctrl plus D. Now select top area. Filter, distort to wave. Change number of generation, scale, wrap around, anything, whatever you want. Type, you can change type, triangle, square. Go to blending option. pattern overlay. Select blend mode to linear blend. Opacity is 44. I chose this pattern. You can increase and decrease scales. I think this one is perfect for me. Okay. Now press Ctrl plus J to duplicate. Go to photo 3 blending option. Uncheck the R, means red. Click on OK. Just right arrow key. Okay. Again, duplicate this photo 3 layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Go to photo 4 blending option. Uncheck the R. Uncheck the red and green. Select by holding shift and merge layer. This is our final result. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any question. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notification. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop Illustrator.